Alright, welcome. In this video, I would be showing you how to create a simple logo design and also a logo mockup. My name is Isaac Matt, and we are going to be using this app called PixelLab. So we are going to be using text and shapes to create this logo. So clicking on this plus icon, I will add a shape. I'll change the shape to a cycle. I'll remove the opacity of the fill color and I'll increase the stroke color. Now the stroke is just like the outer part of the cycle. So this is great. I'll add another shape. I'll remove the fill color and increase the stroke to 4. This time around, I'll reduce the stroke. So I'll place both of them at the center. To do that, click on the Shapes button. More options will appear. So I'll use this option here to place it at the center. So once I'm done, I'll click on OK. I'll add a shape, a square. I'll reduce the height, increase the width, and click on OK. So I'll just rotate this and place it around this junction here. I want to use this rectangle to split this cycle into 2. So I'll just go to this layer icon, select the layers, and click on merge. So what I want to do is that I want to use the erase color. When I enable it, you can see I have splitted the cycle into 2. Now this object is not yet a smart object. Now to make it a smart object, I'll just add a very small shape to it. I'll remove the color and then I'll merge both of them together. You can see now this object is now a smart object. So I'll place it at the center and we are good to go. Now the next thing I want to add is the text. Clicking on this plus icon, I can add text. So I want to have something like matte graphics, for example, but I want the M to be bigger. So I'll set M. Now to edit this text, I have to click on the text button. I would increase the size. I'll change the font. So let's say I'm using this font. I'll bring it down here, increase the size. So I'll make a copy of this so that I can retain the same font, and then I'll edit it. I'll reduce the size and bring it down here. Just ensure that this is on a straight line, okay? So I want to add another text. I'll give this a stylish font. So this is the font I want to use. You can just increase the padding. So I'll make this bold and then I'll increase the size a little bit and ensure that the S is aligned with the last letter at the top. Okay, so I'll go ahead and merge this text together. Clicking on the layer icon, I'll select them and click on merge. Now I merge the text differently so that I can place it at the center before merging everything together. Now when you merge two texts together, it becomes an object. So I have to click on this object button for options to appear. So I'll just place this at the center. So now I want to give this logo a single color. So I'll just go ahead and merge all of them together. So I'll scroll down and go to color and click on enable. Now clicking on this plus icon, we can select more colors. So if you have a brand color, let's say you have a color code, you can just upload it. And if you don't have, you can just use the color wheel to select any color of your preference. Okay, so I want to use a golden color. So I think this is great, and I'll click on OK. Now what you want to do next is that you want to save your logo. So just click on the background icon, and I want to save this logo as transparent background. So I'll just make the background of the logo to be transparent, and then I'll click on the save icon and save as image. Now transparent images are saved automatically as PNG so that it can retain its transparency. So I'll just save to gallery, and the image has been saved. Now you can decide to save your work as project so that you can always go back and edit it. Okay, so if you watch this video to the end, I'll be showing you 3 other ways you can use to save your logo.